Chris, how we feeling?
Let's go.
Hey.
Hey everyone, so day one in Yerevan. We are super excited to be here. Right behind us we have Vermissage. We're gonna go see some amazing places. We're gonna bring you guys along to see a bit of the culture of what is up in Armenia, the food, and as well we're gonna talk about the FemInno event that's coming up in the next few days. So stay tuned. Every single day we're gonna put on vlogs and we're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's go. Did you get that? Please, like, say that to my mom and my father. She's saying I speak good Armenian. Thank you.
Perfect. Really good Armenian.
There you go.
Thank you. She is gonna be proud.
Yes.
Reviews?
Bro,
Yeah?
come on. Fresh out of the oven. Can't get better than this.
You actually can't get better than that. Okay, go. Nice, Chris.
Miche verciara.
Mince verce.
Miche verciara.
Okay, shut love.
Oh,
There we go.
You should do it again. Yes,
Oh, it's making it
roll
okay.
it a bit more. There should be two hands doing it.
You basically want to stretch it out.
I'm trying. Merci. Pavelic. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
Victory! Apparently I put too much of the spray so it caught on fire, but this is my bread.
I mean, you're proud of it. You're proud of it. Come on.
Armenian cheese and Armenian bread, which is called Lavash.
Look how you should do it.
And Armenian water.
And
Armenian water.
Don't forget.
It's
And this is bastırma. Bastırma, let's go.
I love
Do you know
bastırma.
how we call it? We call it burtuc.
Bartuç, merci.
Bastırma on top of that. Nice. Review. You just ate more bastırma than bread.
10 on 10. Recommended. I'm enjoying this way too much. Sweet, I have no idea what it is. It is phenomenal. Մեծ կարևորություն ունի ասանք speech ունենալու, որ FemInno մասին, որտեղ դիգիներուն օգտագործել as science-ի project-ներուն մեջ, աշխատում in the business world, so շատ կարևոր է ասանք conference-ներ, ասանք conference-ներ ամեն դեղ in the world գլա, Հայաստանի մեջ լալով շատ ավելի արժև կդանի business world-ը, science world-ը, innovation world-ը հոստեղ Հայաստանի մեջ։